Alright YouTube, so on today's episode I'm going to be showing you guys of me disassembling the front suspension. I took everything off, I got it down to bare metal and I painted it. I also did that to the rear suspension, but the rear suspension will be a part of another video. But I completely disassembled the front suspension and I painted it gloss black. Alright YouTube, as you can see, I'm all dirtied up. I'm stripping this frame down to bare metal. And now I apply acetone to clean up the bare metal. I'm now going to apply some paint. Just going to spray it on. I also have some that I can brush on. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done. I'm going to do the top side, the bottoms. From the last video, I started from the last video where I stopped at all the way to the front. So I'm just going to go ahead and start putting on this coat of paint. Alright YouTube, so this is how it all came out. So as you see, I took off all the front suspension here and on the other side. I actually have it laying under the car right there. That is the front and rear suspension. I'll be selling all of that as a whole kit. Somebody will get the whole Gbody suspension, front and rear. I'll be posting that on the Facebook market. But look how the frame came out. I like it. It's some nice gloss black. This section here, because I want to do the coilovers, I know I have to cut this bracket here. TRZ has a bracket that bolts here. You can weld it and it comes down here. So, yep, this is exactly how it looks in the front right here. And also I have to buy some the extensions that go here, because the car didn't come with it when I got it. And I might be selling this core support right here, because I may go with the trick chassis tubular core support instead. But yeah, you guys let me know how this looks to you guys. I believe it came out pretty good. Also went and picked up the TRZ body mounts just to show you guys, but I'll be making a video another time on this here because I actually have to get, it was only 6 in here, it's supposed to be 12, so I just have to let them know, and I'll be making a video on that coming real soon, so stick around and watch out for that video. Again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Y'all watching Bones Performance. Thank you everyone who's been watching, and any newcomers, just go ahead and hit that subscribe, like, and comment button. And again, thank you.